In this tutorial today, we shall be learning how to create text as a cycle in Microsoft PowerPoint. To get started, open your PowerPoint. From the Home tab, go to Layout, click on it, select Blank. From the Home tab, go to Drawing Group and select Text Box. Go to the Template, left click, hold down and drag to create a text box. Type in the text box what you want to turn into text cycle. In this tutorial, I will type in how to create text as a cycle in Microsoft PowerPoint. From the Shape Format tab, I select Text Effect. From the drop down, I select Transform. This will open up different forms of text transformation. So I select Cycle. I go to Size Group and put the height at 2.5 and the width at 2.5. You can make any correction on the text. So I remove this P to make it a capital letter. You can rotate it or make any adjustment from this anchor here. You move it to position the text as you would have wanted it to be. You can move it to any position on the blank template. You can resize it from any of these dots. So I go to Insert tab, select Shapes, and select Oval. I hold down the Shift key, left click, in order to get a perfect cycle. I move the cycle over the text. From Shape Format tab, I go to Shape Style. Click on this drop down and select this color. Click on Shape Effect. Go to Presets and select Preset 1. Go to Arrange Group and Send Back. When I click on the text, I adjust it. I position it well inside the cycle. I go to Insert tab again. I click on Insert tab. Go to Shapes. Select Oval. Hold down the Shift key. Left click. Hold down and drag to create a perfect cycle. I move the cycle on top of the first one. Make some adjustments. To create a perfect cycle within the first cycle. Having positioned it well, I go to Shape Format tab, go to Shape Fill, click on the drop down and choose White. Go to Shape Outline and select No Outline. To change the color of the text, I triple click on the text to highlight the text. Go to Home tab. From Font Color, click on it. You can choose any color you want to use. I'm using red. I bold it, make it italic. You can increase the font. All depends on what you want to do with the text cycle. You can change the color of the cycle. Click on it. Shape Format. Click here. You may choose any color that suits. So hope you enjoyed this short video tutorial. We have come to the end of this tutorial. Please give this video a like if you get any value from it. Subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon so YouTube will notify you once I drop a new video. Do share this video with family and friends. Have a wonderful day.